Today we're making veggie and chicken pasta, which makes up a balanced meal with whole grains, protein, and vegetables all in one recipe. The ingredients are broccoli, sun-dried tomatoes, garlic, chicken broth, salt, pepper, flour, whole wheat pasta, olive oil, and Parmesan cheese. Cook the pasta according to the package directions and add the broccoli during the last 2 minutes of cooking time. While the pasta is cooking, sauté the chicken in olive oil over medium heat, and once it's cooked through, stir in the garlic and cook for an additional 30 seconds. Then add the chicken broth, sun-dried tomatoes, salt, and pepper, and bring it to a boil. Take about 2 tablespoons of broth from the chicken mixture, place it in a small bowl, and stir in the flour until it's dissolved. Then add it back to the chicken mixture and heat until it becomes thickened. Toss the cooked pasta and the chicken mixture together. Top each serving with 1 tablespoon of Parmesan cheese.